Yeah. Hey, I want to congratulate y'all, man. Y'all made to another video, man. If ain't nobody never congratulate you, man, I'm gonna congratulate you. You feel me? Hey, you know what I'm saying? We got some dope stuff. Still kicking dope stuff for y'all, man. I ain't saying we raw today. You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? We got. I ain't too much, man. Just a light video. But in this video, you know, I learned something new. You know, I had a first time incident where I just lost signal on my drone. And so I always kind of wonder what happened, man. You lose signal, you know, or how would it react? So today is another video, and it's kind of explaining it, you know, and giving y'all a little cool views. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, stay tuned in, stay locked in, man. It's Birdside Stu.
Living different than what your life see. Cause I've been working hard, and still I say it's been a life. You slow me down, this seems unlikely. Cause I've been road racing. Sometimes I feel I've been at Pikes Peak. Living different than what your life see. Cause I've been working hard, and still I say it's been a life. You slow me down, this seems unlikely. Cause I've been road racing. Sometimes I feel I've been at Pikes Peak.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in, man. Another video, beautiful views. Hey, we're gonna get right to it though. Hey, man, it's just a cool video I just kind of was doing, and I kind of wanted to just do some kind of like if you was a video photographer or making a video, you know, I seen even in a couple movies or whatever, it's kind of like you going down the stream view, like a view as if, you know what I'm saying, you were in a boat going down the stream, you know, so you can get a good kind of view of what it would look like if you were kind of rowing in a boat down this little creek or whatever, you know. So also I was just exploring, you know, just checking it out. You know, I did walk across that. It's a little bridge walkway right here. I did walk across that bridge to get here, but you know, I still wanted to just kind of explore it on a water view, you know. And we actually coming up to where I encountered my first problem, you know what I'm saying, and that was the flyaway, you know what I'm saying, the little flyaway drone. But it actually is smart. It'll either come back to your phone or it'll come back to the spot you launched it at. And at the time I didn't choose either one, so it chose for me. It didn't have time for me to make a decision, you know what I'm saying? So it actually rose its like elevation, not sure how high, but it made sure that it was able to compensate you know what I'm saying, all the obstacles and all that to make sure it came back safely. But man, it's still cool just to look at the view, you know what I'm saying? Good definition. The area is pretty cool, you know, they put a lot of money into and invest a lot of money into the area, and here it is right here. It's going back, and it actually flies backwards. You know what I'm saying? It's a little different. It flies backwards to get back to every time. You know what I'm saying? Because I had this happen twice. So, yeah. But I was just looking at it, you know, on my phone. And I'm like, man, that's cool, though. You know, the view that you get, you know, while it's doing it, it's actually a cool view. You can check out the stream right here, you know, and I'm standing probably right under it right now. You know what I'm saying? Right under the SKYDIO too, you know. So, yeah. And I was like, you know, going back to the views of as if you was going down the stream, I was just checking out the camera angles. We've seen, you know what I'm saying, different maybe videos or movies that, you know, they take advantage of scenery like this and using the drone's capabilities, you know what I'm saying? So one thing I want to do is just constantly push myself, you know what I'm saying? Because I eventually want to get into making little videos and stuff like that, little kind of just, I think you say B-roll videos, you know what I'm saying? Just views. And as you see, like I went right over the creek. So when I came over on the other side, I'm right above the water. So it's like you're racing down the water. You can see, man, the crystal clearness of the water. I'm talking about like the camera does justice. You know what I'm saying? SKYDIO 2 does some justice. It really brings out the clarity and you can see, man, it's ducks. You can see if it was fish, it's not, but you know what I'm saying? If it was fish, you can see the fish, man. It'd be just awesome to see, you know what I'm saying? But that's coming up, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share the video, so we can definitely get some more going for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely do have more, but we want to do big stuff all the time, you know. But once again, you know, we in Glendale, you know, Cherry Creek area, in Denver, Colorado, you know. And a lot of people always, hey, what does it look like around? And, you know, I'm thinking it's a good way to kind of show people what it looks like. Just kind of some of the features of the area, you know. We all can ride down the street, but do y'all see creeks like this, you know? Once again, you know, I just brought it over the water. And actually, I'm a good distance away from the drone, you know. I can still see it, but man, it's the drone way, you know, and so that's why I encountered the problem of little duckies. You know what I'm saying? That's why I encountered the problem of the flyaway situation where I just lost signal, and it actually came back to me, and it's gonna happen again here in a second if you just keep watching. Man, it's just cool just to look at this view, you know. I think here it is here. It's yeah. And as I told you before, it flies backwards to come back to you. It really, to me, retraces its steps that you just took it. You know what I'm saying? But it just raises up and does it at a higher level. You know what I'm saying? It remembers the way you took. So that's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? And I think here, I still didn't really realize it asked me to go to the phone or the spot I took off from. And once again, SKYDIO 2, shout out to them, made the drone, and it thinks for you. It says, I don't have time for you to make a decision. I'll make one that's smart to what I know how to do. So, and here is a grand view. You know, when I, you know, I'm not too familiar with the area, but when I rode the drone up, I was like, there's a little lake over there. You know what I'm saying? A little pond or whatever you want to call it. And actually, I'm probably still right under the drone, so you can't see me. Just probably, I think I took it up to 220 feet. Yeah. So, yeah. You can just see the area is pretty beautiful, man. This, once again, it's Glendale side more than Cherry Creek, you know, but it's still beautiful. Cherry Creek is, you know, more high class, but, you know, Glendale is definitely cool on the scenery side. You know, if you like streams and small bodies of water, you definitely can get your fix. But yeah, man, you just check out, you know, the view. Definitely a good view. It's peaceful, relaxing. I think here, yeah, I'm bringing it back down because man, just I still had to admire the view though. Just look around a bit. You know, you can see the buildings in the background. Once again, that's Glendale. It's not Denver so much. Like it's not downtown Denver you're looking at. Still Glendale, you know. And people always ask, can you see like the mountains in the back? You can see the mountains, you know. Anywhere in Denver you can see the mountains. If you're in the right spot, you kind of drive around a bit, you definitely get a good view of the mountains because they're so close. They're not that close, but they're so close that, you know what I'm saying, they just break the horizon to where you have to see them. You can't go around it. And it's always a beautiful day. It's always sunny. Always a good day to get some money and fly to SKYDIO 2. You know what I'm saying? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I think I was bringing it back down for a landing like a UFO. And I think yeah, I was just kind of doing another run, another run with the SKYDIO 2 basically. And I noticed like it's a little drainage area over here, and a lot of people come like show their little skills and tag up stuff through the city. You know what I'm saying? So definitely when you see one of these, somebody's going to take advantage of putting great artwork on there and just showing the great urban development and skills and just the city's culture, you know. And it's cool. People say it's tacky. It'd be tacky if it was ugly, but it's nice, so it's cool, you know. So shout out to whoever did it, you know. I pay my tax money to see that. Once again, there I go. Birdside stew. Just gave you the view. Hey, we got some more though, so don't think that was.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, that's the halftime. You know what I'm saying? And that's just some peaceful stuff, like, you know, that I kind of chill and just look at it every day. You know what I'm saying? Being from Memphis, we ain't got that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just fooling around with like camera angle, just showing y'all what y'all can do. And then that you did see that, man, I did lose control of the drone. But it know what to do. It's smart autonomy, so it came back to me. But anyway, we're going to keep it rocking. We're going to keep going. And let's keep locked in. Stay locked in. All right.
Cause I've been grinding from my birth to my last year. Cause I've been grinding from my birth to my last year. And every time I look forward, keep my foot up on the gas. Got 200 on the
Yeah. Hey, this the actually the view of the lake I seen, you know what I'm saying? So I said, hold on, let me go across the street real quick and just go check it out. It's not just too much that I thought to do, but it was one view in particular, or a couple views, or I said I was gonna kind of just learn on the fly. But yeah, so you know what I'm saying, right now you can see me going over the lake, and right now you can see all the algae, you know what I'm saying, on top of the lake. And man, you can really just check out the definition, how clear everything is. And that's one thing I like about this camera, you know. It's just, man, about as clear as you want it to be, you know what I'm saying? You can get the water hitting off the lake, how still the water would be, or it is at the time. Man, just every kind of feature of the lake, you definitely get a good picture of it. So, you know what I'm saying, in business applications or personal applications, is right on point, man. So right there, I just lowered the drone, you know, lowered it down. And so really my view in mind was just to do kind of a flyover of the lake, but I kind of lowered it down. I said, let me play with this moss a little bit. Let me see if I can catch a frog, you know, let me see if I can catch old Ribbit, the WB frog, see if he done retired out here somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, you can just see, man, the definition of everything, the colors, and it makes it even look better than in person almost, if that's possible. But you know, it's definitely, once again, a great camera. Shout out to SKYDIO too. SKYDIO is a company, but you just check me out. I'm still, yeah, there I go. Right, that's not me. That's another guy. He's walking the dog, but he's right over there by me. Yeah, is that me? Yeah, either way. Guy was asking about, he said, man, it sound like a swarm of bees. I said, yeah. He said, I almost took off running. I said, yeah. I thought the same thing when I first flew it. I think you can go back to one of my first videos, and I actually said that, but it's still cool though. So right here Mike, we're going alligator hunting. We're going crocodile hunting, Mike. We're going to see if we can see a bloody croc on the side of the bank, Mike, resting in the sun. Nah, we just taking advantage of it. Like, it's just a bank view, man, like you see on National Geographic or Discovery Channel, man. Like, we were looking for a gator. But this is a good way to show y'all how they do it, you know. And I kind of figured that out, you know what I'm saying, doing it. But, man, once again, look at the water. Look at the clarity. You can see the muggy bottom. You can see the crystal clear water with the algae on top, man. It's just immaculate, man. It's just God, man. You can't get no better than that, man. Simplicity, still extraordinary. But once again, just over the lake, and you do have a very special appearance once again by the Peabody Ducks, man. Got the whole team out, and we also got the Mighty Ducks. They came out, you know, the Anaheim Mighty Ducks. They came out. They all having a little meet and greet, flying greet, landing greet, whatever you want to call it. And once again, you can see, man, how clear the water is. I mean, you can see straight to the bottom. You know, crazy as that is, you would think the water be all mucky and murky, and now actually the water is pretty clear. You can see straight to the bottom from an overhead view. So that's pretty cool. Standing from my view, the water looked like it was, you know what I'm saying, just black, dark. As you can see, as you're peering at an angle, it's just dark. But as you get over it, the herbal view, that's what I bring you, bird's eye stew, you can definitely see that, you know what I'm saying, it's not as it appears. So that was pretty cool to see too. And I did say, I was like, hold on, I'm going to do some maneuvering. Still just learning, man. It's all a learning process. All raw, uncut, you know. So I was going to go over here. I said, let me maneuver around the tree, just still learning to fly on the fly. So this was a school, so I didn't want to go too much close to it. I ain't trying to intrude on the school, but it was a field, you know what I'm saying, right there. And I just kind of right over the fence, and I just wanted to give a view, you know what I'm saying? Maybe this is a field of a football or a baseball field, and maybe they need views. And what can you do? You know, so
bird's eye stew, man. Hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all for locking in, man. Hey, we had some dope views today, and man, we solved some questions today that I've been wondering, and man, I just appreciate everything, man. I appreciate y'all. Hey, make sure you go subscribe, man. Go like this video and comment on it, man. Go tell somebody. Ain't nobody else doing no urban drawing like this, man. They doing all different, man. Nobody putting no sauce and no flavor in there like this. So, man, y'all stay tuned in. We got some more coming, and man, we finna get bigger and bigger, you know. So, hey, stay tuned in. This bird's eye stew. All right.